Could your hair loss potentially be permanent? My name is Cree. I am a practicing certified trichologist, and hair loss affects millions of people around the world, and a lot of times people are unsure if their hair will ever regrow again. So that's why today I'll be giving you 3 potential signs that you may or may not be dealing with permanent hair loss. So this information is valuable to anyone who is dealing with hair loss, or if you are someone who is servicing someone with hair loss. It could be the first step in their journey to understanding what is happening. Now, one possible sign is changes in your skin texture. This is visibly noticed in someone who has traction alopecia. So if you notice that your scalp feels a lot differently lately, it might feel a little bit rough and you have scaly patches, these changes in skin texture often are accompanied with hair loss. So as your follicles begin to miniaturize, the skin does become affected. So this is a clear sign that the hair loss may be more than just temporary shedding or thinning. Next is shrinking or miniaturization of the follicles. It is a definite sign that your hair loss could become permanent. It's noticeable in many scarring alopecia clients, as well as reversible hair loss clients who have just allowed their condition to persist. So miniaturization means that the hair follicles are shrinking, producing thinner and weaker hairs over time, and these follicles can become inactive, leading to a reduction in the density of your hair. So how can you tell if your follicles are experiencing miniaturization? One sign is if you're noticing both longer and shorter hair all over your scalp, which is a result of shrinking follicles producing hair at different stages of hair growth. So last but not least, another sign of permanent hair loss is a smooth appearance to the scalp. This can be also associated with patchy hair loss. So if you're experiencing areas of bald spots or thinning hair on your scalp that have smooth, shiny texture, it indicates that the hair follicles are too damaged to produce new hair. So when this happens, it's possible that your hair loss has progressed to a state where hair growth is unlikely without preventative measures being taken. So this is one of the more obvious signs of scarring alopecia. Do not panic if you have any of these symptoms, because there's always an option that can help you in dealing with permanent hair loss. So understanding the hair loss type that you are facing is the first step to finding a solution. It is possible to maintain what you have in a case where your follicles are shrinking, but it's important to get help as soon as possible. Now, I'm not sharing this information to scare you. I only want to make sure that you're able to make an informed decision about your hair health. So if you notice any of these signs, book an in-office or a virtual consultation with me, and I'll help guide you through the options that are available to you.